how is there any other what other kind of Windows 11 readiness steps or planning to help with a smooth transition would you recommend?
Well, I mean, there's a few current world issues that may make some of that tougher. Obviously, as if you need to order computers, you need to consider the supply chain, right? And do and while for the most part, computers themselves are excluded from some of the tariffs, the reality is some of the parts in the computers may not be. And it seems, at least lately, last few months, we've seen supply be really high and demand be really low, and then demand be really high and supply be really low. It's kind of just extremely volatile. So if you need to do a large order of workstations, you might want to get on that and also make sure that you do it when you can get good pricing versus overpaying. And then, it's at the end of the day, it's not that difficult of an upgrade for workstations that can just upgrade, right? So the ones that do support Windows TPM or TPM 2.0 and the ones that support Windows 11 already, you've run through the Microsoft Readiness tool assessment. I actually think at the end of the assessment, you can actually just click install Windows 11 and it's going to run through and install the update. If you have Windows 10 Pro, it's going to go to 11 Pro. If you have Home, it's going to go to Home, and it's going to kind of do that on its own once it's supported. So it's more or less a big Windows update that can be delivered through the same delivery channels versus, oh, I need to go buy this Windows 11 upgrade. Like, you don't have to pay for the upgrade. As long as you have a supported Windows 10 version and your device supports Windows 11, you can just install it.
Well, that's a big change too, because in the past you had to pay for the upgraded operating system, and so now you don't have to necessarily pay for it, but yeah, there's a lot of other logistics and things that
Yeah.
you got to consider. Potential. I mean, let's. I guess it depends on how many machines that might need to be replaced versus how many machines just need to be upgraded. It sounds like there's just a lot of logistical things to kind of work through and figure out for a business, an organization.